everyone, welcome to Mathemagik again. Welcome to yet another episode of the Area of Parallelograms. In the last one, we did the area of triangle, and as you all remember, the area of triangles are base times height divided by 2. However, for parallelogram, it's fairly easy. It is just the height, which is over here, and your base, which is here. So just so you know what this is, this height is the same as this height. So this is going to be your height, and this is your base of the parallelogram. Same way in number 2, this is your height, and this is your base. Number 3, this is your height, this is your base. Number 4, this is your height, this is your base. This is your height, this is your base, and lastly, in this parallelogram, this is your height and this is your base. So all you have to know is the area of a parallelogram is base times height. Okay, in a triangle, you would have to divide it by 2. But over here, you only have to do base times height. So let's go straight into number 1 and let's do it. So the first one is base, which is 6.3 times 4.5. And your final answer is 28.35 once you calculate it. So 28.35 square inches is your final answer. All right. Now let's try and do number 2. Number 2 is fairly simple as well. Let's find your base, which is 9.6. And your height is 3.9. And so then when you calculate 9.6 times 3.9, your final answer here is 37.44, and so your answer here is in feet, so it's square feet. So 37.44 square feet. Okay, finally, let's try and do number 3 as well before you go on to do your own. So over here, your base is 8.3. and your height is 11.2. So base times height is 8.3 times 11.2. And so when you calculate 8.3 times 11.2, your final answer is 92.96. So you'll have 92.96 square yards. And that's your final answer over here. Now, I'd like you to try your best to do number 4. And I will give you 15 seconds and your time starts now. All right, now let's go ahead and try it out. So your base here is 7, and your height here is times 5.7. So 7 times 5.7 gives me 39.9. And so your final answer is 39.9 square feet. Okay, and let's move on to number 5. Number 5 is base, 4.25 times the height, which is 8. So when you calculate 4.25 times 8, your final answer here is 34. And so if this is in yards, your answer is 34 square yards. Okay? And lastly, but not the least, we're going to do number 6. And this time I want you to have a go at it. So I'm going to give you 15 seconds and your time starts now. All right. So your base is 5.5 times the height, which is 3.4. This is your base. This is your height. So base is 5.5 times 3.4, which is your height. And all you have to do is multiply it and you get 18.7. And so your final answer here is 18.7 square inches. All right. And there you go. I hope the area of parallelograms are very clear and you've been able to master it by the end of this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment, and do please share and subscribe this video. Thank you. Bye-bye.